mathschoolopeducation.com. Today we are going to do an exercise session for chapter 11.3 in algebra 1. Page 427. We start with number 10. Find the slope m and the y-intercept b. We're going to graph this equation, 3x minus 2y equals to 8. 3x minus 2y equals to 8. Minus 2y equals to minus 3x plus 8. Divided by minus 2, we get y equals to 3 over 2x minus 4. The slope is 3 over 2 and the y-intercept is minus 4. And graphing this is our first point, the y-intercept. And its coordinates are 0, minus 4. And now we can do this in two ways. We can put a value for x here and get another point. Let's say we put x1 or x2, and then the 2 cuts with the 2, and then we get y equals to minus 4. So that would be our second point. 2 and minus 1. 3 minus 4. Now, another way is to look at the rise over run. There is a run of 2, so I can start from this point, go 2 this way, and there is a rise of 3, and I go this way. And my second point will be here. And that point, going 2 and going up 3, that will be 2 for x. So the coordinates of this point is 2 and minus 1. And now we connect and we get the graph of this equation. Next, we're going to do number 20. Write the slope and y-intercept, then graph the equation. So this is y equals to minus 4x plus 5. The slope is minus 4 and the y-intercept is 5. So we start here. This is our starting point. And its coordinates again 0 and 5. And we can do, as I said before, we can put a value for x. We can put 1. So if x is 1, we get minus 4 plus 5, and that gives us 1 for y. Or we can go by the slope. The slope is minus 4, which means minus 4 over plus 1, or a positive 4 over minus 1. And we can do both ways. So now, if we want to go by the slope, there is a run of 1, a positive 1, and then we go minus 4, so we go down. So 1 is this way, and minus 4 is this way, and that's another point on the graph. And now we can connect these 2 points, and we get the graph. Or we can go by this. We go minus 1, and that's going this way. This is the negative direction for the x. So here is minus 1, and then we go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is another point on the graph. And now, if we connect, we'll see that these 3 points are on the same line. And there they are. Next is number 28. Graph by using the x-intercept and y-intercept. 2x minus 3y equals to 6. So in order to get the y-intercept, x has to be 0. So 0. And then we get minus 3y equals to 6. And y equals to minus 2. And to get the x-intercept, y should be 0. So this term is going to be 0, and 2x equals to 6, and x equals to 3. So our second point is 3, 0. So 0 minus 2, this is our first point. And the second point is 3 and 0. 1, 2, 3, and 0. And now we connect these 2 points. And this is the graph of this equation. And with this, we come to the end of this session, and we hope to see you again.